We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Song family's traditional tofu has been made in Pingdong County for 3 generations now. This Hakka family still steadfastly manufacture tofu products by hand, and all the Hakka in the Liudui area know and love their products. The peanut tofu is especially popular. In the same area, the Jiadong Hakka restaurant is also in its 3rd generation and very popular. People say it's just like walking into a Hakka family's kitchen with its simple decor and all the local specialties on the menu, including, of course, their neighbor's handmade peanut tofu.
Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Peng.
Actually, I have a lot of friends. When they come, we have to bring them there. 有几个就是外国观光客来的时候，外国朋友来的时候呢，一定要带他们去，他们也自动会想要去的地方。比如说，故宫博物院 （The National Palace Museum）。
故宮博物院。
不抽烟呢？不可以，当然不可以在里面抽烟了。你被爆烟，你烟瘾来了吗？
我冇博烟啊！
你不抽烟吗？那你为什么要教我抽烟的事情呢？
不是啊，故宫博物院呢？
哦，博物院，我现在懂了，那是that's museum. It sounds like smoking in Chinese. Okay, 故宫博物院。Okay, 好 that's number 1. Number 2, in Taipei, you have to go to the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, 也就是国父纪念馆。国父是国父，OK， that's Sun Yat-sen。纪念馆。OK， 这是不抽烟的，比较不一样，这是纪念馆。That's the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. And the third place that we need to take our friends to is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, or the CKS Memorial Hall. 中正纪念堂嘛。中正纪念堂。Okay, that's also a memorial palace or memorial place, which is the CKS Memorial Hall, they call it in English. Let's review those 3 fabulous places you should visit if you're new in Taiwan. The National Palace Museum. 故宮博物院. The Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. 國父紀念館. And finally, the CKS Memorial Hall. 中正紀念堂. Okay, so there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.